Today's my first ride following suffering a stroke. It's a gorgeous sunny day in March. I've just ridden down as far as Wrights Creek, where there's quite a lot of ice. Not much in the way of water birds, of course, today. It's quite clear to see. I've got new glasses. These are transitions, meaning they go from light to dark in the sunshine. I'm quite breathless. Just not used to the exercise. Still a lot of snow around, but the paths are clean and dry. And there's the Queen Elizabeth Hospital, QEH as it's known locally, where I spent 4 days with very good care. Here I am at Peaks Quay, where I normally come and look at the cruise ships in the summer. All the local craft are out of the water because of the ice. Certainly no cruise ships in. They need to be icebreakers. So we're just going to have a little look at the harbour. There we are, that's the conference centre. The big red 2025 sign on the horizon there. And here's the frozen harbour. No bird life, no cormorants, no gulls. Anyway, that's enough for me today. I'm going to head back home and put my feet up. Evidence there of a nice gentle southerly wind.